Welcome back to Bebe Fabric Studio. Today we will be making this easy to do fabric garland. Here is what our garland will look like once it's complete. Ours measures 5 feet long. This is a pretty good standard size garland, like for putting over a fireplace mantle, over a doorway, or for using as a photo prop. Let's go over what you'll need to make your garland. So you're going to need scissors. You'll also need twine. We used a 5 foot long piece for our garland. You'll need ribbon as well to decorate your garland with, and fabric to cut into the fabric strips. We used 4 fat quarter pieces of fabric. These are the fat quarters that we used. We wanted to go with a pretty pastel spring theme for our garland, so those are the colors that we picked. You of course can use any colors that you'd like to make your garland with. And this fabric along with the ribbon all came from Bebe Fabric Studio. We also have a project kit there that you can purchase to make this garland or to make it in any color. We'll have a link below in the description. First step is to cut out your fabric strips, and we will be cutting them into 1 inch wide by 21 inch long pieces. If you're cutting into a fat quarter, you should end up with about 18 pieces per fat quarter. It may be less than that, it doesn't have to be perfect. So here are the fabric strips after we finished cutting them from the 4 fat quarter pieces of fabric that we had. We ended up using about 60 of these strips in our fabric garland. Now you need to take your 5 foot long piece of twine and start tying the fabric strips on there. You can arrange them in any pattern or order that you'd like on there. So in between every 4 pieces of fabric strips, we added a strip of ribbon measuring 21 inches long. So from here, just keep repeating the pattern of tying fabric strips and ribbon onto the twine. This process can take a while, but I did find it kind of relaxing to tie the fabric strips on there, so I did enjoy doing this project. Once you have all of your strips on there, then you are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you have fun making the fabric garland. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. We will keep adding more videos every week. Thanks again, and remember to read the description below. You'll find a link there to Bebe Fabric Studio as well as a coupon code.